Hello, everybody. This is Mandarin Chinese easy, and follow me. I will help you to learn Chinese in a fast and easiest way. Today, we are going to learn a new lesson. It's called buy clothes, 买衣服, 买衣服. So follow me. Let's look at this conversation. Can I help you? 我能帮你吗？我能帮你吗？ Once again, 我能帮你吗？ Could you help me find the t-shirts? 你能给我找一件衬衫看看吗？你能给我找一件衬衫看看吗？ Once again, could you help me find t-shirts? 你能给我找一件衬衫看看吗？ Do you have some special styles that you like? 你有没有特别喜欢的风格？你有没有特别喜欢的风格？ No, I only want t-shirts which is comfortable. 没有，我只想要一件穿得舒适的衬衫。没有，我只想要一件穿得舒适的衬衫。What about this one? Maybe you like it. 这件怎么样？也许你会喜欢这件。这件怎么样？也许你会喜欢这件。Could I try it on? 我可以试穿一下吗？我可以试穿一下吗？ Sure, of course. This is fitting room. What size do you want? 当然可以。这里是试衣间。试衣间 fitting room. 你想要什么尺寸的？你想要什么尺寸的？尺寸 is a size. I want to L size. 我想要 L 码的。我想要 L 码的。You know, in Chinese, L means large, so 码 means size. L 码 means L size. Okay, sir, this is L. Okay, now everybody, this is today's lesson. Now, we're going to practice this conversation, and you're going to follow me and then practice by yourself. Now, let's start.
我能帮你吗？
你能给我找一件衬衫看看吗？
你有没有特别喜欢的风格？
没有，我只想要一件穿得舒适的衬衫。
这件怎么样？也许你会喜欢这件。
我可以试穿一下吗？
当然可以。这里是试衣间，你想要什么尺寸的？
我想要 L 码的。
好的，先生，这是 L 码。
Okay, everybody, this is Mandarin Chinese easy, and this is today's lesson. And follow me. I will teach you how to speak English and Chinese in the easiest and the fast way. Now, I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye.